August niruk sang ni somni parukani US te Iran ten dilan siam don lai takin Israel chuanin Lebanon chimlama Hezbollah te laka beipui alo thak le ani hetiang hi ani chuanin Iran hianin Hezbollah te hi achan ro pui mai sia US le Iran te deal siam tura hi a lo cham le mai ngem o ti kharil ro om nga lani poni se kan soi zaw mai nei kan en potang
Kovel hua ba bengdar hearing aid branch ber om na hilaw me sha ve to em Rin Hearing and Speech Care Clinic Mari traffic point bul mai om kan ni a ela hian bengdar imamoto shang kan kola invisible lang theilaw rechargeable le waterproof te kan neya bengdar hi ilei ma in hearing aid trial avwa chin na hin nei thei vekani
Bengdar vua siom le min lo wanga mamo si vua du lo te an om lo nan ke hearing aid trial hi kal puyani Bengdar lui emo cheto en company po exchange kan ti thei renge
tin kung upalamtan clinic pan har samai theya appointment kal tlangin inom na muna kan pan thei bok chewani Rin Hearing and Speech Care Clinic hi among tatan kan om ringa minong pan ve cheu donya
Rin Hearing and Speech Care Clinic Hello dor ve cheu donya tin no panglam tema tonglama har sanani de tan po khanin pan chi mani o
Israel has launched a new wave of airstrikes across southern Lebanon after 2 of its soldiers were killed and several were injured.
Hezbollah tena boman kama wang hianin Israel sipai ten nunna an chana ni Israel sipai pani in nunna an chana chu Israel hian tuna hianin phuba alave nga lani I for an I mit ayamit
Strikes targeted the town of Al-Mansuri. They were so powerful that people in the city of Tyre, about 13 kilometers away, felt the blasts.
Israel ina phuba alag na he an nasalutuka tichuan kilometer som pathum ahla om dei khopakhat atangin hemi puakri na he a ngong nge a vibration de khan lo shepa ni o turu rem khop ma he video tanga kan en thea po hianin rap tha khop mai he mei khu hi han chho sang em me mai ni van la ma hian mo
The Israeli army forced residents to leave the area on Wednesday, and it follows a series of attacks overnight.
Israel pang te hianin helai hmuna cheng te hi suasan vat ro an tia hetiang hianin action an la pop mai ani o
Israel says they were in response to Hezbollah's violation of the ceasefire agreement. 8 people have been wounded. Israeli and Lebanese delegations have been meeting in Rome to discuss the US-backed agreement that Hezbollah is not a part of. Have been meeting in violation of the ceasefire agreement. 8 people have been wounded. Israeli and Lebanese delegations have been meeting in Rome to discuss the US-backed agreement that Hezbollah is not a part of. Zena Khodr is in Al-Masuri in southern Lebanon. She's joining us now. So more strikes for a second day, Zena.
Voi khatsawan beilaw ni Israel ang panghianin. Voi tamtak an bayan ni hey live an ron report po he helmet te den he te hianin ring up mayamo an film khur hle ani.
Yes, they were powerful blasts in the past hour. 2 airstrikes targeted the town of Mansuri.
Mansuri bullok a henu hi omanian huai ve mo darkar khat kalta vel khanin jet fighter mangin voi ni be ani aron tipok ani om na mun chu den rem hle mai chon hi change leba tam mel ve nu hi
The town in the distance behind me, we had to pull away after those strikes came in. It wasn't the first time Mansuri was targeted in the past 24 hours. In fact, 24 hours ago, the Israeli army issued forced displacement orders telling the residents of the town to leave. It was the first time they issued such forced displacement orders in recent weeks, since the lull in the fighting, since that ceasefire was announced.
Inka hai kha an puang ve shima Israel le Lebanon te inka ra po hian khatian in hu khatin hetiang hianin na tak mai in Israel lampang chuanin Hezbollah te an bom chun zom le ani soitong hanin Iran lampang hianin Hezbollah te an tan boxia an tan turu mai boxia chu wang chuanin hetianga Israel te na action an lak hian US le Iran te deal siam tur hi ati khotlai vele de ulek chuanin ka ring kami mal ngai da mai mai chuan
It wasn't just Mansouri that was targeted. Overnight, the village of Burj Shmeli, which is not far from here, few kilometers south from where we are.
Helai mun chau hi Israel si pai te chuan an bei lawa helai naya khopakhat ompo kha Israel te chuanin Israel si pai te chuanin an lo bei thawani o
There was an airstrike overnight, totally destroying a house, but it was preceded
an rap thak va o jet fighter mangin Israel hian in a bay ani
by 3 drone strikes, which allowed the family, the 6-member family, to leave. But 8 people were wounded nevertheless. Now,
Israel na hetinga be pui thang na hianin hilai hmuna omte khi hmun him lama in thiar chhuak turin thu chu ape thawani amaro chu khatiang ani chung pohanin mi pariat vel liaman tur thawani
targeting Burj Smeli is being seen as an escalation. There was also a drone strike that killed a person in Tibnin, because Burj Smeli, Tibnin, these are villages quite far from Israel's occupation zone. The hill behind me above Mansouri, that is the boundary, if you like, of Israel's occupation zone. They occupy more than 60 towns and villages across southern Lebanon. So
Lebanon simla ma hianin Israel sipai te hianin khosom ruk chuang hi an obet hrim hrim ani thunin no hianin a om hrim hrim ni na langa chuanin he mi reporter nung kan hmu chin a hi khilai khuat tel lo chi chi khianin Israel te thunin waya omani
striking deeper inside Lebanon was seen as an escalation. Now they're saying that this was in response to the bomb that killed 2 of its soldiers and wounded 4 others in
Katianga Hezbollah te na boman lo kama wang hanin Israel sipai pani Antia mi palin thiam liaman tur bokani sipai palin liaman tur bokani
the occupied town of Majd al-Zoun, which is to my left. We still do not know if that bomb was placed before the Israeli army occupied the village or after the Israeli army occupied the village.
Amar tu heta hianin zona om ve thei tho khati hemi boma hi Israel sipai te na helai mun an ron obma lokam to nge an ron op nuai tenga lokam to ani kha chu soi the ani chuang lawa amaro chu hemi bom an kamate hi Hezbollah te kam tak tak ani angem nge nia Hezbollah te kam tak tak ani am nge nia an mani Israel te khian an kamangem hitianga an be theina turatan khian tide pokha zona ha om thei thawa chan chu mitam tak hian in khatiang zona kha nei ji ani achan chu politics a chuanin hei inside job kan ti ang chi hi hei conspiracy ang de hi atam ang rang thin khop maya chu ka ril ro ron lang hal boka amaro chu Israel te na hitianga an kam enge be an du awanga khatianga bom lo kam ani karin lo na chu an sipai pani an thi pha mi bani ti chuan mi pali sipai pali in liam an tur bokta entinan Israel sipai te khanin bom lo kam ta se thi lo ta se chu ha ring thlen ta khaum thei don ani Israel sipai te an mani le manin kam ani ang ti kha amaro chu khita khi chuanin mitam takina conspiracy theory te an ron ti chwa thin an mani khian in khitinga be an du awang khian an mani le an mani khian ti khian an kama an chil puak ta vel ani ti ang chi vel zo ron soi kha an lo om le man ni na langa amaro chu khatiang kha chu ani arin om lem lo ani achan chu Israel sipai hian in kam se chu Israel sipai te an thi rin om lo amaro chu Israel sipai te in thimia wani an thi mai ba ka mi pali la in liam an tur boka chu wang chuanin hemi hi chu khatianga conspiracy ang dewa lo soi vak ang kha chuanin a tlak lai vak lo ani
They're blaming Hezbollah, and Hezbollah has not commented on
Hezbollah lampang hian in engma soyan la nei lo ani hemi chungchanga hi
on that accusation. So really the situation is very fragile, it's precarious. Yes, there's been a reduction in violence, but violence does continue. And hundreds of thousands of people have returned to their homes, and now they're wondering whether if this conflict does escalate, they're going to have to leave again. But
mitam tak kha an tlan che amaro chu an thlan chen hu khanin an mani in le lawa te khanin an lo kir le to hloma amaro chu khatianga an mani in le lawa an lo ho le to te kha hetianga boina aron chua le ta ka hianin kan tlan chi le ngai do nem tin aru rumang ang takin anom ve ani
But the statement by the Israeli army saying that in the past 24 hours they hit the Hezbollah military sites in response to the bombing may be an indication that at least this round of strikes could be over.
Israel sipai te chuanin an soidan chuanin darkar somni legal ta khan na Hezbollah te omna hmun kan be ani han ti ni chu wang chuanin khang mi te lo tlan che to ani na lo le te kha hmun him lama ni thiar chu angai don nge don lo kha chu soi thei chu ni chuang lawa mani ta po chuanin mang an thak ve ve wang ari ru ha thak ve vi min karing
In the meantime, as we were just mentioning, these talks are going on in Rome. They're backed by the US. They're between Israel and Lebanon.
Tua po hianin Israel le Lebanon te yanin bemek ni na lang ani. He United States te support ni amaro chu. He Lebanon le Israel te in biag na hianin Hezbollah te telvelo ni.
Hezbollah is not part of this. It is an attempt to get some sort of peace deal. Do we have any more on those talks?
Oh, kaka apoy mo achin kha chungan riek zo apoy mo chin a chuanin Israel hianin Lebanon chimlam na khopat ni abe ni na lang ani. Oh, ta hianin Hezbollah ho kha target bi ka a chan chu Hezbollah te bom ka mawang hianin Israel si pai pat ni an thi a mi pali in hliam an tuar bok ani. Khami kha ani tuna an boi na himo he hianin US le Iran in dor na he aron hong mai thei ani oh